إمام زين العابدين عليه السلام.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد.
إمام محمد باقر عليه السلام. الإمام محمد جعفر الصادق عليه السلام.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد.
Along with the progeny of Prophet Muhammad, the Trinity also contains some of the very noble companions, such as first Sayyid al-Shuhada Hazrat Hamza alayhi salam. Jannat al-Baqi does not only hold a prominent position within the Shia, but it also holds a very prominent position to all the Muslims who hold any love for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
اللهم صل على محمد.
اللهم صل على محمد. The atrocities on the followers of Ahl Bayt continue up to today. Brothers and sisters, we are gathered over here to commemorate the destruction of Jannat al-Baqi and demand the Saudi government and United Nations to let us rebuild our holy shrines in Saudi Arabia. We are not gathered over here to disrespect anyone's belief, and we stand firmly to support unity among Muslims and humans in general. Allah Takbir!
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
Takbir!
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
This is not a verbal attack on the residents of Saudi either. This is our demand from the Saudi family, from the royal family, to let us rebuild the shrines in the holy city of Medina. Al-Baqi! Al-Baqi!
Al-Baqi!
Al-Baqi! Al-Baqi!
Al-Baqi!
The Shias have been prosecuted day in, day out in Saudi Arabia.
1, 2, 3, 4. Shia killing no more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shia killing no more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shia killing no more.
And we demand Saudi government to stop the mistreatment of Shias and let them practice their beliefs in any way they want to. What do we want?
Justice, justice.
What do we want?
Justice, justice.
I only wish some of the so-called Muslim governments could only read the compromise of Hudaybiyah, which was the first constitution laid out by the father of Islam, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
In that particular constitution, it states specifically that we are tolerant about other beliefs. It's sad to see that some of these Saudi government leaders do not even let their fellow Muslims practice their religion freely. Takbir!
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
We strongly demand extreme Wahhabis that stop using Islam's name behind their terrorist motives. Islam is a religion of peace and equality, and we will raise our voice every time we would see injustice, whether it be Shias getting prosecuted in Saudi Arabia, or whether it be human rights being violated in Darfur, or whether it be Zionist regime killing innocent women and children in Palestine.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
We strongly believe in unity, and we will go to any extreme to resolve the indifferences that we may have, but we will not stay quiet until and unless the shrines and the Jannat al-Baqi has been rebuilt. Al-Baqi! Al-Baqi!
Rebuild Al-Baqi.
Al-Baqi! Al-Baqi!
Rebuild